developments in the Delphi murders. The man charged with killing Abby Williams and Libby German renews his claims of innocence, and his attorneys take direct aim at the evidence against him. We start with that extraordinary statement from the defense team for Richard Allen. For the first time, his attorneys are publicly attacking the evidence used to arrest Allen for 2 counts of murder. Our teammate's Richard Essex has the details.
This 3-page statement that came out late Thursday afternoon says again that Richard Allen claims that he did not kill Abby Williams and Libby German. His lawyers say that they don't want to try this case in the public, but this statement does lay out a step-by-step rebuttal to a lot of the information that became public this week.
48 hours after a judge ordered the evidence police used to justify Richard Allen's arrest made public, his defense team says Allen maintains his innocence and that he is completely confused as to why he is charged with 2 counts of murder. The statement points out that Allen, who his attorneys call Rick, volunteered to meet with an officer in the days after the murders, shared his information, and then didn't hear from police for more than 5 years. It also points out that after the murders, Allen did not get rid of his vehicle or his guns and did not throw out his clothes or alter his appearance. He did what an innocent man would do and continue his normal routine, the statement argues. As for the gun and the unspent bullet found between the girls' bodies at the scene, Allen's attorneys refer to it as the single magic bullet. Prosecutors claim markings on the ammunition tie it to a gun owned by Allen. The statement says that identification techniques used is anything but a science, and that they plan a vigorous legal and factual challenge to it. In a court hearing last month, prosecutors hinted that other people may have been involved in the deaths. The probable cause released Tuesday does not mention other suspects. The statement from Allen's attorney says that they are confused by such discrepancies in the investigation.
Allen's attorneys say that he has nothing to hide, and they hope to start receiving tips to help prove his innocence. Richard Essex, Wish TV, iTeam8.
Now, late tonight, the Carroll County Sheriff responded to the attorneys, saying, in part, I feel a court of law is the proper and impartial setting for this matter to be vetted. You see the full statement on your screen. If you want to read the full statement for Richard Allen's defense team or the sheriff, take out your phone, scan the QR code on your screen. That will take you to the Delphi story and the as seen on section at wishtv.com. Meanwhile, 2 other major Delphi developments today. A special judge announced she will hear arguments next month on 2 critical motions in the case. The first is a gag order requested by prosecutors that would prevent those involved in the case from talking publicly about it. The second is Richard Allen's request to move his trial at least 150 miles away from Carroll County. The hearing for both motions is set for January 13th. Judge Francis Gall has also ordered Allen to appear in person for that hearing.